Good morning to one and all present here. This is me, your schoolmate Rauha Mariam. Today, we will get to know about the top 10 scientists of India. Let's get started. Let's start from the number 10. Vikram Sarabhai, an Indian physicist and industriologist, was born on 19th August 1919 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Sarabhai pioneered India's space age by expanding the India Space Organization. India's first satellite, Aryabhat, launched in 1975, was one of the main products planned by him. His inventions. He played a major role in the launch of India's first satellite, Aryabhat. He was a physicist and an astronomer who initiated space research and helped in the development of nuclear power in India. Number 9. Prafulla Chandra Ray, the father of Indian chemistry, was born on 2nd August 1861. He was an eminent Bengali chemist, educationist, historian, industriologist, and philanthropist. His discovery. He discovered mercurius nitritia. Number 8. C.V. Raman, a great scientist who was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli. When he was 15, he taught his class to receive his BA degree with honors in physics and English. His discovery. His discovery was the scattering of light in 1930. Number 7. Homi Jahangir Baba. Homi Jahangir Baba was born on 30th October 1909 in Bombay. He has become the first chairperson at the Atomic Energy Commission of India in 1948. He played an important role in convincing the Nehru government to start India's nuclear program. That's why he is known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. His invention. He is known for the Indian nuclear program calculus of cosmic radiations, point particles, Baba scattering, theoretical prediction of muon. Number 6. Sri Java Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematical geniuses of India, was born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. Every year in India, this day is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Inventions. Number theory, infinite series, complex analysis, and continued fractions and measuring pi. Number 5. Satyendranath Bose, an Indian mathematician and physicist, was born on 1st January 1804 in Kolkata. In the early 1920s, he was well known for his work on quantum mechanics. His inventions. Bose-Einstein. Number 4. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, an Indian-American astrophysicist, was born on 19th October 1910 in Lahore, Punjab. He worked in the field of astrophysics, general relativity, fluid dynamics, and radiation. Now, number 3, Meghnad Saha. Meghnad Saha was an Indian astrophysicist who developed the Saha equation used to describe chemical and physical condition in stars. Number 2, Har Govind Khorana. Har Govind Khorana was born in Raipur, Punjab, now in Pakistan, on 9th January 1922. This biochemist won the Nobel Prize in 1968 for demonstrating how the nucleation in the nucleic acid controlled the synthesis of proteins. His inventions, polymerized chain reaction process. And last but not least, the well-known APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwara. He served as a president of India from 2007 to 2011, an aerospace engineer with DRDO and ISRO. The world knows him as a poet, teacher, leader, motivator, and missile man, and many more names. Inventions. Plastic missile. He was also responsible for the development and operationalization of Agni and Prithvi missiles. I hope that you all enjoyed. Thank you.
Mary Curie, a scientist who changed the world. Mary Curie was a remarkable scientist who made incredible discoveries in a field called radioactivity. She was really curious about how things worked from a young age, and she loved learning about science, early life, and learning. When Mary was young, she faced a lot of challenges, especially because some people didn't think girls could be scientists. But she didn't let that stop her. She worked really hard in school and loved studying science. Big discoveries. Marie Curie became famous for her work on radioactivity. This is a special property of certain elements that can give off energy in the form of tiny particles or waves. She discovered two new elements, polonium and radium, which was a really big deal. Her discoveries changed the way we understand atoms and the world around us. Working together. Mary worked closely with her husband, Pierre Curie. They made a great team and together they made many important discoveries in science. Overcoming challenges. Mary faced many challenges along the way. Some people didn't believe in her ideas, and she didn't always have enough money to do her experiments. But she never gave up. She believed in herself and kept working hard. Awards and recognition. Marie Curie made history by winning Nobel Prizes in two different fields, physics and chemistry. This was a really big deal and showed just how important her work was. Greatness. Marie Curie's work continues to inspire scientists all around the world. She showed that with hard work and determination, anyone can make a difference in the world of science. Her discoveries have helped us understand the world better and have paved the way for many more amazing discoveries to come. Thank you.
To tell you all about Barbara McClintock. First, let's see who was Barbara McClintock. Barbara McClintock was an American scientist and a cytogenetic. She was born on June 16th, 1902 and died on September 2, 1992. Now let's see what she has studied and her research. Now, she studied in the Cornell's College of Agriculture. She studied botany and also received a BSc. The interest of genetics began when she took her first course in 1921. Her research focused on developing ways to visualize and characterize maize chromosomes. She was the first one to describe the cross-shaped interaction of the homologs. Now let's talk about her wonderful legacy. She was a physicist by 1983. She felt that she could look outside of her scientific subjects. McClintock had thrown out Lederberg and his colleague out for a half an hour because of their arrogance. Now let's talk about the wonderful and amazing awards that Barbara McClintock achieved. Barbara McClintock firstly received the National Medal for Science for Biological Sciences in 1971. Then she received the MacArthur Fellowship in 1981, Wolf Prize in Medicine 1981, Guggenheim Fellowship for National Science 1933, and she received a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1983. She received many other awards, but these are the main 5 ones. Now let's talk about her amazing career. When did she start her career? She started her career in 1920 after she received PhD in botany. What did she work as? She worked as a leader of development of maize of cytogeneticists. Her discovery, she was the best remembered for discovering genetic transportation. And that's all about Barbara McClintock. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining me. Bye.